So a sort of annoying thing in awk is that you need to refer to the fields with the number. So for example, here we have this file. So we have this book name, book abbreviation, book number, chapter, verse, number, verse, right? So if we want to refer to the, let me change this to tab. If we want to refer to, let's say, the verse, we want to only print the verse or something, right? So we then need to refer to the actual field number, right? So the last. But this can get a bit annoying because, well, who actually wants to remember all the numbers? Like, that's kind of ridiculous, right? Especially if you have like a longer awk program. Like, for example, if I want to refer to the verse number, I need to actually read the whole thing to determine where the verse number actually is. I want to be able to do something like if verse equals 1 instead of like if a dollar sign, I don't know, 6 equals 1. You know, like in SQL, right? You can do select a field name where it is, you know. So how do I actually make it work like that? Well, a fix you can do is actually defining the fields. Well, not really defining the fields, but defining variables that refer to specific fields. So we can do begin, and of course begin will just run once before the actual program starts. So we can do begin, and the first field is book title, right? Title equals 1, abbreviation equals 2, book number equals 3. You can make better names, but chapter equals 4, verse number equals 5, verse equals 6. Let's see, print, and then you can just print the variable, right? Because the variable contains the number, or is the number, or actually the verse contains the number, but we want to refer to the field, so we can do $verse, where the verse will expand to 6, and the $6 will refer to the actual thing we want. KJVTSV. Oh, I haven't cd to the right directory in which the thing is. Where is it? I think .local src kjv. Oh. So yeah, now if I want to print the verse or do some, you know, something with it, I can just use the variable. So print title, let's say printf. We can print certain things, right? Let's say I want to print the verse number. Let's say I want to print the verse number. Use commas because we're using printf, and the verse. Oh, don't forget your new line because printf. So now you don't need to like actually look at the thing and then determine which field is the thing you were trying to refer to. Well, I guess let's do actually something useful. So let's say I want to print only a specific book, right? Book title. So I can do if title $title. Remember, because title is 1 and $1 will make it refer to the actual field. Because if we do just, you know, title without $, it's just is just actually 1, which doesn't even make any sense, right? So if title is, I don't know, Matthew, instead of doing like if $1, you can just do this. If title is Matthew and the chapter, right? A chapter. And if chapter is 10 and up, because you'd want to read the chapters after it, let's say. And then we can do a printf verse number and verse. And so we can just enter. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. I misspelled Matthew there, but and I guess to check if we're actually printing the right stuff, we can do book or title, and then what is it? Chapter, I guess, right? So we are actually printing Matthew 10 and up, right? And then I know, let's say if the first field contain a regular expression, if I know, son of man. So we can do if the verse field matches this regex. Actually, we can do two lower here. So it's going to match son of man regardless of case, right? And then we can do that. And let's see if we actually got what we want here. Field chapter verse number. Let's see, son of man, yeah, it matches all the it matches son of man and son of Manasseh, but I guess we can do son of man, not word, right? So we can do not al num, right? Of man. Yeah, now it only prints son of man without son of Manasseh or something, right? So yeah, hopefully that's useful.